Hey everyone, my sister cat is now 10, almost 10:30. I'm going to school, but so to tell you about the other cat, my mom thinks something happened to her because she would have came back already. So she would have either waited at the door for someone to open the door and then she will come in, or she will wait like in the back. But like anyway, my mom thinks that something happened to her. So this cat, probably can't see him, but this cat threw up. Yeah. I'm not cleaning that up. I just going to act like I didn't see it, but this cat threw up. Let me see. Yeah, this cat threw up. Probably can't see it, but I think with it, he threw up a lot. Yeah, he threw up. So, yeah, you probably can see it a little bit. Better. Yeah. Yeah, so he threw up a lot. Yeah. Going to grab something. Oh shit! Oh! It fell into no, I mean look, I'm not going to pick it up now, but that Jiffy peanut butter literally fell into the vomit. So I'm not no. I don't do vomit. Oh. Yeah, I don't do vomit. Human vomit or animal vomit, I don't do. So, yeah. So, grab after doing the light off. Yeah, so after my mom comes back, I will put my clothes on. After my mom comes back, I will put my clothes on and she will take me up to the school. I would stay home because I have cramps from my period. I really have cramps, but I didn't go all last week and I just don't feel like healing the daggone teacher's mouth. Yeah, so yeah.